lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing an unboxing and this is from Glossybox. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, line up, spoiler of subscription boxes. If you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Lovelies, if you see me the same clothes with my try on a review of this eyeliner, because I'm doing it in the same day. So yes, let's open this box. So if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25. And every month you will receive 5 beauty products inside, from skincare and makeup. And lovelies, I always do my lineup products every first week of the month of this box. So if you wanna watch that one, I will pop in here, lineup spoiler. And yes, lovelies, let's open this box. That in that video, lovelies, that I will do an unboxing of this box, because I kept the subscription box for the Fenty box, because I ordered that one, and I know few you lovelies that didn't get that box, because only 5 minutes it's already sold out. So yes, I did really well that I kept my subscription, because I really wanted the Fenty one, because I don't have Fenty. I think I have few only that I tried, the lipstick only that I tried. I really wanted to try more Fenty products, so I ordered that one. So this month box, lovelies, it's gorgeous. It's very Christmassy. It's really gorgeous, definitely. And here it says best time of the year. Definitely I will keep this box because it's so gorgeous, beautiful box, definitely. And let's open it. When you open, lovelies, you will have the ribbon as always. So satisfying when you open this one. And here it says best time of the year. And then we have, as usual, the leaflet or the booklet. And we have the spoiler for next month, lovelies. If you want to know the spoiler for next month, please keep this part. But next month we will have January is all about starting anew, and what better to take inspiration from that than nature. To start off 2021, we're focusing on the natural and pure, which is why we're bringing you eCooking's moisturizing serum, worth £22.50 and packed with natural ingredients. This product will give your skin the hydration boost it requires. eCooking, I tried few products from them, and it's really nice. So yeah, so this is the spoiler for next month. And then Merry Christmas Glosses, offering the ultimate mix of Christmas parties and cozying up at home. December really is our favorite month, which is why our best time of the year. Glossybox is made of 5 fabulous products that are perfect for those very occasions, with pampering skincare products and Christmas-inspired cosmetics. We've thought of everything you need to feel glam this festive season. Love the Glossybox theme. And then we have the tissue paper as always. Already found a product that is not on the leaflet, but yes, I have variation for, if you want to know, lovelies, if you are still waiting for your box, I have a variation for. Now let's start with a spoiler. For spoiler of last month was this one, the Symbiosis London AHA 3+3 plus RNA Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. This is an anti-aging. It has 15 ml. I know this one was very expensive, lovelies. This product, lovelies, it's rated for £102. Very expensive. I will never repurchase this product. I said to my husband that this one was £102, and he was like, what's inside? There's a gold inside that it costs that much. But yeah, very expensive. And here it says, this overnight serum is ideal treatment for puffy, tired eyes in need of relief. glycolic acid boosts skin firmness and addresses blackheads, dullness, and excess oils, while RNA helps skin combat the sign of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, and brown spots. With its shimmering properties, third key ingredients, mica aims to reflect light from the skin for a smoother, softer, and more radiant complexion. So yes, so this is the first product for that 102 pounds. Just wow. But yes, and this is the full size lovelies. Another full size we have here, and this is the Nailberry Oxygenated Nail Lacquer. So beautiful shade. But as you can see, lovelies, I don't wear nail polish because I found them like irritating because sometimes I really want nail polish, so I applied them, but after a couple of days they already ruined. So I found them irritating. So, and I use a lot my hands, so yes, I just sometimes do nail polish one, and this one in the shade Strawberry Jam. But yes, this is really a Christmassy color, red, perfect for Christmas. But yes, and the other product we have in here, this one, love this. This is from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, soft and smooth, relieve rough dry skin, 24-hour moisture, smooth, mark, and tone. So this is just a deluxe sample size, deluxe mini size, and this one it's rated for 50 ml. So this one it's rated for £1.50. The Nailberry Lovelies, it's rated for 15 pounds because this is a full size, and this one is rated for only £1.50. And yes, this one it's really nice on winter time. I like Palmer's, the smell. I'm not fan of the smell, but as a product, it moisturizes. It has very thick consistency, so it's very moisturizing one. That's the part that I like, but I'm not sure if I would like it in my December box. And I don't know if I explain it properly. I would love something more like Christmassy for New Year. I'm still going to use this one because I really need a body cream one, because I really like this one, and I really love bring this one with me because it's a perfect size. But in my December box, I'm not 100% sure about that. And then the next one we have in here, this one I was really excited to try, lovelies, because I really heard good reviews about this product. And this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and this has only one pair, so this is just a deluxe sample size. It says here full size, but I know 6 packs of this has that's the full size, which is 20 pounds, and this one set it's only 4 pounds. And yes, it says experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with this gold under eye mask, perfect for pre-Christmas pampering. A top layer of gold foil allows the serum to penetrate deeply into your skin, whereas the second and the third layers ensure the mask put a deliver key ingredient efficiently, giving you all the skin-loving benefits you need. Your complexion will instantly appear visibly brighter and more hydrated after use. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one. Lovelies, I will do soon on my Instagram my empties one. Like every Friday I will do my review of my empties. I know I have full of bag of empties here, so I need to do a video maybe or on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will pop in here or in the description box below. And then the last product we have in here, lovelies, it's not on the list because on the list there's a different product, and I have this Sport FX Body Build Dry Shampoo, Fresh Vanilla Volumizing Dry Shampoo, perfect for all hair type. The smell, I'm not fan of vanilla smell, lovelies. I'll definitely put this one in the giveaway. And as I said, I don't usually use dry shampoo. I only use the COLLAB dry shampoo because I think that one, it doesn't leave the white cast on my hair. So this one, it's a full size, it has 200 ml, but I will not use this one, and I don't know how much this one, lovelies. because it's not on the list, but here it says the ultimate dry shampoo for sweat proof styling and volumizing your hair. If you lead an active life, then our body build dry shampoo is an essential. It works hard to remove oil and sweat, keeping your hair looking clean, fresh, and volumizing whether you're at the gym or on the go. So yes, definitely this will be in my soon giveaway. Yes, lovelies, on the list we have the Blend and Go makeup sponge, and this one was on my lineup one. I know few people receive, or the few first people received the sponge one. I know few people also received the wipes one, which is I would be more happy to receive that one. And I think some people will receive the dry shampoo one. So yes, lovelies. So yes, lovelies, that's it. As you can see, there's no more in here. And let's do a recap, lovelies. We have the dry shampoo, which is I will put in the giveaway. The eye mask one, which is I'm really excited to try. The very expensive eye cream one, which is I will try. You know, lovelies, that I love receiving eye cream on my boxes, on my subscription boxes, because they are quite pricey and I use them a lot. So yes. And then we have the nail polish one, which is from Nailberry, and then we have the moisturizing cream from Palmer's. So yeah, overall, lovelies, 4 out of 5 I definitely gonna use. So yes, it's a okay box, but it's not Christmassy. I love the design of the box. Definitely the design, it's 100% Christmassy. I love it. But the products inside, maybe I was expecting more for Christmas or New Year, but yes, I will still use them, lovelies. So that's all. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? What did you receive? Did you receive also the dry shampoo one? Did you receive another different product? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.